Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with the May brown sugar box unboxing. I have not taken a look at what's in this month's box, but confession, I did look at a few other videos as well as the Instagram feed and the Facebook group. So I took a sneak peek at what's in this month's box. So we have a new brown sugar baby here on the box, and I really like this one. And let's see. Feels like they super glued the box closed. Here is this month's box with the magazine here on the top. And the theme for this month, well, what's included in the magazine are 5 black beauty gurus you should follow, down memory lane with escape, 5 signs you're an around the way girl, spring fashion inspired by Lisa Bonet, and 8 underrated black films you should see. This month's box is valued at $120. And here are the contents outlined in the magazine for this month's box. And we are going to dig right in. So the first thing that I see here are 2 pairs of big gold hoop earrings. These have a retail value of $18. There is 1 rope style earring and there is 1 bamboo style earring. So LL Cool J, right? So if you're an 80s, 90s edition, then you remember that song. So we have 2 pair of hoop earrings. So here are the ropes and here are the bamboos, different in shape. The next item in the box is a tenderoni necklace, and it is valued at $14. And it just says tenderoni. The next item is valued at $23, and it is a pretty young thing hat. And it has some distressed denim markings over it on it. So here is the hat, and it has the adjustable tab in the back, and this is valued again at $23. The next item is Coils by Nature. Looks like it's a 2-ounce body mango, and it's valued at $6. And it is called Nourishing Hair and Body Butter Marvelous Mango. And you can save 20% when you order directly from their site by using the code that is provided. And here is what that looks like. So very thick. It has a slight scent to it, but it smells more like mango and shea. So there it is. It's not greasy. It seems to be absorbing pretty quick. So I like that. I may actually pack this in my travel bag so that I get some use out of it this weekend. The next item in here are flip-up sunglasses, and they are valued at $15. So for those of us that grew up with the Cosby Kids and remember the spinoff of A Different World, then you remember Dwayne Wayne and his flip-up glasses on the show A Different World. So that's what these are. So gold and black frames, and then the actual flip up here. So here we go. We have a charity event this week at work where we're gonna be building playgrounds, and I would just bet you that if I showed up with these, the group that I'm gonna be with would absolutely flip out. So I'm undecided on whether I'm gonna keep them or whether I'm gonna give them to my nephew since they're black framed. I think he'd get a kick out of them in high school because it would be something retro that he and his friends won't easily find in the neighborhood. So those are valued at $15, and they have a little bit of weight to them. They're not light or flimsy. If you sit on them, I'm sure they're going to break, so you need to take care, but they absolutely have a little bit of weight to them. The next item in the box is this box here, and it is Izzy and Liv Beauty Fly Girl Collection Nail Polish. So it's got a bunch of pink dust on it. I saw some reviews or comments online where a few people had nail polish that exploded in their box or inside the packaging. So I'm curious to see if mine survived in transit. It looks like I was lucky enough to get packaging that stayed intact and that the bottles are securely closed. So there is a gorgeous purple blue color here. It's reading more blue on camera, but it is a little more of a mix of blue and purple. And then this next color is called, so let me just tell you the name. So this one here, bluish purple, is called Ladies Night. The next color is called Super Duper Fly. That's a beautiful berry tone. This gold yellow color is called Hypnotize, and the silver color is called Shimmy Shimmy Ya. So those are the 4 nail polishes. I ended up, it's been a couple of boxes ago. I don't think it was the last box. Maybe it was. I don't know. There were some lip glosses, and I tried one. It was a little sticky for my preference, but I gifted those to my sister, and she has been enjoying those. And then the shirt this month, which I am super excited about, a $28 value, different color than what I've seen come out of the boxes before, and it is this beautiful berry color, and it says Round the Way Girl. So I think I'm gonna pack this for my trip this weekend for Memorial Day, throw it on with maybe some boyfriend jeans and my Chucks, and feel really, really comfortable. So that's it for this month's edition of the Brown Sugar Box. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.